What's up, guys? It's Josh, and I'm excited you're here. You've probably heard about the Amazon Influencer Program. You might have already signed up. That's great. This video, we're gonna talk about the formula for breaking down and how to film your first 3 videos. We'll break down the formula for filming a great video, the do's and the don'ts and the whatnots to say, and how we go about scripting a product review video. But first off, I gotta do a shout out for the old Boise State here. Best part of my life. I was actually on the cover of Sports Illustrated when I was younger, but that's not here nor there. Now I own a couple businesses and do fun things on the side. So let's start with the first thing. What is the Amazon Influencer Program? If you don't know what the Amazon Influencer Program is, I have linked the video down below. You can go watch that full tutorial, how to sign up for it. But for you that have already been accepted, congratulations. Now the daunting part of how do we get our videos approved and not strike out so you can't get in this program again. This is gonna be how we go about it. So 1, we wanna find the right product. What does that mean, the right product? We wanna find a product that is not a tape measure, for example. The tape measure has no features that I really wanna talk about. People buy a tape measure because they know exactly what a tape measure is gonna do, right? You're gonna pull it out, you're gonna be able to measure, it's gonna go back in. Nobody wants to see a review video of something super, super basic. They do want to see a video and features on something that's unique. They haven't seen, there's a little bit more detail to it, and maybe it's a little bit more expensive and it's really hard for them to make a buying decision. A product like this is something I would highly recommend. Why, you might ask? Well, do you even know what this is? No. So let's break it down to you. This is a steam pet groomer. What does it do, you ask? Well, it actually just cold steams your pet, and it's there to give them a bath and clean their fur. So products like that are a little bit easier to talk about because there's features that people haven't seen. There's features that people don't know about. And picking a product that's actually gonna relate to sales. Do I wanna watch a video on a tape measure? No, no, I don't. Would I watch a video on something that's unique and I have no idea what's there? Yes, I absolutely would. The same goes for more expensive items. We wanna make sure, 1, the quality is good. 2, how does it hold up over time? 3, what are the features of it? What do I like about it? Why did I purchase it? That's what someone wants to know when they're purchasing and making a purchase decision. So the products themselves are very important when we go into reviewing. Let's talk about the scripting and filming techniques. Depending on how you're going about your business, we want to figure out how we're gonna structure our filming techniques. What I like to do is start off with the script. Go ahead, grab your product, write everything you like about it, write the features that you like about it, go to the Amazon listing because they're gonna have details on the page about the features of it, highlight some of those features. Then we're almost ready to start filming. And this is where you're gonna get super nervous, and it's okay to mess up. Retake it, and do it again. You're gonna get better and better and better at filming. What I like to do is show the product right away. It brings engagement. It shows people that I'm a real person. I'm not just showing a product, a faceless product. You can do faceless if you want, but I don't recommend it. Show the product right away, and then cut. So for example, hey guys, I wanna show you this product. It's a cat grooming and steaming brush. It's a 3-in-1, and my cat really loves it. Then we're gonna get into the features. So at this point, you can then take your camera and film at a distance, or you can still stay in frame and do a 1 take. 1 take's a little bit harder, 2 takes are a little bit easier. The features I really like about this product is right away, it instantly cold steams. You can brush that all over your cat, and then you can use these rubber arms to groom your cat. These rubber arms, as you can see, maybe show the product up close to really highlight the feature. These rubber arms, as you can see, are nice and soft, but yet they're sticky enough to grab your cat. And maybe at that point, show the feature of a cat and do a little B-roll over it. And at the very end, I like to just preface why I purchased this product. I purchased this product because it was going viral and I wanted to see if it really worked. Maybe somebody saw this product that was going viral and they wanted to see, did it really work? And maybe that was the buying decision for them. So one, I like to show my face. Two, I like to talk about the product and its features. And three, I want to tell you why I bought it. Super simple, keep it simple. Don't get into much detail. Just talk about the product features, talk about why you liked it in the video. So for example, I actually did a product review on this, and here's the product review now. I've seen this product all over the internet, so I had to buy it and review it. This is the 3-in-1 cat or pet detangling brush and steamer. It steams very, very well and instantaneously. This is a cold steam that is coming out of here, so it is not a hot or a warm steam, which is perfect for the animals, but it does help to loosen up the mane or the coarse hair that are on the pets and pull it out. This does come with a silicone arms right here, and the arms help to grab the hair. It helps then detangle, and then you can actually wipe the hair off. If you need to take the hair off and it's hard to get out of these little crevices, you can actually just pull these right off like that, and then you can wash it, scrub it, take it apart, and it just pops right back on. This is our beautiful cat Milo getting his nice little steam bath right here. And you can see at the end of his tail, all the hair that is collecting from the silicone arms. And he loves this on the top of his head. You can see right here just how much hair this collects. So after further review, I would say this little guy has been going viral for a reason. It works fantastic, and my cat absolutely loves it, thinks he's getting a massage, and my cat does not usually like to be pet, but he loves this little thing. So that product review was a little bit more in depth. I shot some B-roll over it, and you can get to that, and we'll talk about shooting B-roll later on in different videos. I'm using this for my YouTube channel, and YouTube is a little different beast. But for now, let's just break down. That's exactly how I would shoot a video. Next, let's talk about editing your videos. When I first started, I highly recommend editing your videos on, it's CapCut. It's a free program. You can go download it on the iOS or App Store. It's TikTok owned, and it's super easy to edit on. Download that app, put your video into it, and just cut it up. Cut out the fillers, the ums, the its, the e, cut that all out and just get to the point, get to the meat and the potatoes and be done with it. We don't want to do any text layovers. We don't want to do any of that fancy stuff. We just want to have a super simple video, talk about the highlights and the features we talked about, and then be able to upload it. Now let's talk about the do's and the don'ts, okay? The do's and the don'ts is huge when we talk about the Amazon program, because we really want to make sure our videos get accepted and you're in the program and you're making money with us and you're following this channel and we're giving you advice, okay? So we don't want to talk about any health related claims. It's super, super important because you will get rejected instantly. And when I talk about health related claims, I'll talk about, for example, I had a hydrogen bottle, and the hydrogen bottle gives you a lot of health benefits. But I didn't want to talk about the health benefits of the hydrogen bottle. I wanted to talk about the physical product, the make, the build, how it worked, and that's it. So we don't want to talk about health products. We don't want to talk about how they can affect you. We don't want to have any personal property, barcodes, anything behind you. That'll be an automatic decline right away. I actually had my only video that I've ever done and got declined had a barcode in it. So we really want to make sure that none of our personal information is in it. No barcodes are in it, because barcodes do come on packages. So no barcodes, no personal information on it. So we have the product picked out, we have the script ready, and you've filmed it, you've edited it, and now you're ready to submit it. Congratulations. I know that was probably a lot of work, but let's show you how to actually submit a video to Amazon. Go to your storefront, click on Create Content. There's gonna be a drop down that pops up, and click on Post Video. From there, you're going to upload your file to Amazon, and then you're gonna click on Tag Product. You're gonna tag the product, and let's only tag one product at this point. We don't wanna tag multiple. Amazon will automatically tag other products if there's other features inside of that video, but we wanna just do one for now. Get a title description, make it super simple. As you get farther down the line, you can start being creative with your titles, which I highly recommend. But for now, we're just trying to get those approved, and we don't want to retouch. So congratulations, we just broke down videos on how to shoot them, edit them, talk about products, and upload them to Amazon. If you stayed this long, thank you so much. Go ahead and hit that like button. And if you like it, really go ahead and subscribe. I hope this was educational for you. If you need help, go ahead and shoot me a comment below. I would be more than pleased to reach out to you and review your videos to see if I could help in any way, because I know how daunting the process is to get your first 3 videos approved. And especially if you're on your second try or your third try, we really, really, really want to get you approved into this program. So go ahead, comment below. Say, hey Josh, can you review some of my videos? And I would be more than happy to look at them. Guys, I hope you like this, and we will see you in the next video.